Hey guys, welcome back again to JN Electric YouTube channel. Let's review thoroughly a stereo receiver MCintosh MAC1900. Do you still have this stereo receiver sitting on your old desk? This is the MCintosh MAC1900 AM and FM solid-state receiver. It was produced from 1971 to 1978 and had a list price of $949. Then came the Mac 1900, upping which anti-witch and all solid-state modular design that outputs 55 watts per channel into 4 and 8 ohm. It sold like hotcake. It was the first piece of the MCintosh gear I ever sold. I did everything well and was modular. Each board could be unplugged for easy servicing. They sold many thousands of them, probably close to 10,000. Tuning RAM AM and FM. Power output 45 watt per channel into 8 ohm in stereo. Frequency response 20 Hz to 20 kHz. Total harmonic distortion 0.2%. Damping factor 50. There is a tuner that is large enough in the upper right to searching for radio wave signal. Has 4 electrolytic capacitor located on the back of this stereo receiver. The appearance of the bottom of very old and ancient. It can also function as a power amplifier. Maybe you have a magnetic pickup or turntable or a device that produces audio. Card power supply. Some resistor, capacitor, and PCB are used for the initial amplifier or pre-amplifier. And this is the driver amplifier output as the driver electronic card. And it is time for me for show of a schematic of the PCB and show it work. And it would be nice if I show it first in the block diagram of this stereo receiver amplifier. Naming component from the outside is very important to make it easier for you to identify. Almost all materials are made of metal. The power supply system consists of a transformer that lowers the voltage. Then its voltage is delivered by a diode and is filtered by several capacitors. Critical components are like electrolytic capacitor, which often dry up or explode. Power output is a circuit that often breaks down, such as the transistor is weakened, or the transistor is broken, or maybe the transistor is short-circuit. But there are times when the connector from the PCB to the socket is damaged or lost contact. On that you will remember the most is that the MCintosh on this device does not use an output transformer, but instead use a direct couple to the speakers. You should be careful to connect this device to the speaker. First, make sure the output voltage from the speaker terminal does not contain DC voltage. And thank you for watching. See you next time.